Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your GPU supports HDMI or DisplayPort audio. This is essential. Next, run Windows as an administrator and ensure Windows 10 or 11 is up to date. Once done, open Nvidia GeForce Experience or the Nvidia driver download page and download the latest Game Ready or Studio driver package. You need the package that includes HD audio. Make sure to note your GPU model and the download folder so installation begins without delays. Run the Nvidia installer with administrator rights and select Custom Installation, checking Clean Install to replace old audio components. After installation finishes, reboot the PC to register the audio device. Once back, connect the HDMI or DisplayPort cable to your monitor or AVR, then open Windows Sound Settings and look for Nvidia High Definition Audio in playback devices. Select it and click Set as default. If you don't see it, make sure the monitor is powered and using the same input as the cable. Finish by opening Device Manager to confirm the Nvidia High Definition Audio device is present and enabled. Check properties for driver version and date. In Sound Control Panel, verify bit depth and sample rate match your display or AVR, and disable enhancements if they cause issues. If audio still fails, update motherboard chipset drivers and any monitor/AVR firmware. As a key troubleshooting tip, run Device Manager, right arrow scan for hardware changes, then reinstall the Nvidia audio driver. This often restores missing devices and clears configuration conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.